yeah, we are in the place of
Today we're doing a little install. I am gonna put these LED headlights into a 2018 Nissan Rogue. I received these headlights from this company. I think you pronounce it NAO. And we're gonna see how they look. Alright, let me open up these lights. Let's see what they look like. They come in this nice package. And it's packaged really well, as you can see, because I'm having a hard time just opening it up. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's see what these lights look like. Oh, so they come with an installation manual. It shouldn't be that hard. And here it is. It's packaged really well. And this is what the LED headlights look like. So you got a connector that'll go that'll connect somewhere in the car, I guess, in replacing the other headlights. And you'll just screw this into the slot where the headlights go. Okay, let's go do that. And let me just turn on the headlights for now and show you guys what they look like. So you see it's like a ugly yellow color right now. But we're gonna fix that. Alright, let me pop the hood and we'll start this install. Alright, so first things first is we gotta get this LED light bulb out. And it's right there. That's the connector for, the halogen light bulb. Because we're replacing it with the LED. So that's the halogen light bulb. We gotta take it out. So let's start with that. See the bulb right there? Take that out first. Which is very easy. It's supposed to just turn counterclockwise. And there's the bulb. And I just gotta disconnect it from the connector. Shouldn't be that hard. Boom, there it is. Next, just put that there. Next, you take the LED bulb. And it comes with this piece right here. You see that? This piece comes right off. And what you're supposed to do is put this piece on first, where you took out the halogen bulb, replace it with this piece. So let's put the LED bulb down for now. I'm gonna put this piece where the halogen bulb is. Turn that clockwise. Alright, that seems to be in. then you take the connector and you connect it where you had your halogen bulb connected. Boom. Wait till you hear the click. And now you should be able to take your LED bulb and screw it right in. Just like that. Alright, before I do anything, let me just turn the car on and see if it actually worked. So, let you go. So there you have it. Instead of a yellow light, now it's a nice clean white LED light. So it worked. Very cool. Let me just show you guys the difference. This is LED. This is halogen. Yellow. White. So now I'm going to do the other side, and this car is going to be done. And it's going to look nice and clean. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side. You got to find the halogen connector, which is right there. So we are going to unhook that and replace it with an LED. Here we go. So you just turn it counterclockwise and it just comes right out. Now this one's a little harder to get to. You gotta like finagle your hand. It's really difficult to unhook this one. There's not enough hand room in here, so it's a little harder. Alright, there's that one. Ah, my hand is stuck. Alright. And then you attach this part right before you do the LED. So you put the LED to the side. Remember, it comes on the LED, so you take it off, put the LED to the side, and attach this part first. Okay. It's not coming out. Give it a few tugs to make sure it's in there. Seems to be in there. Then take the LED. And all that's left is to plug in the connector. Alright. I think we're done. Let's just check that light. Let's check if that light works. And there you have it, people. We have nice white or blue LED headlights. Look at that. Look how great that looks. Remember that ugly yellow color? Well, it's gone now. Very cool.